If there is anything we have learned so far about nihilistic violent extremism or NVE in the past committee hearings, it is that there are many things we still have to learn about this growing threat. Napagalaman natin na itong mga menacing na NVE networks na nag-groom ng mga bata para manakit sa kapwa at sa sarili ay tila naka-impluensya sa Tacloban shooting incident. The emerging threat of NVE is real. It is nefarious. It uses alienation, the glorification of violence, and the presence of vulnerable children in digital communities that normalize harm. Kasama ang mental health, parental supervision, access to firearms, security protocols, at iba pa. It is one of the many factors behind school shootings that we must not take for granted. Kaya napakasakit pong sabihin na ilang araw lang ang nakalipas, nagkaroon na naman ng isang shooting incident sa isang junior high school sa Zamboanga City. Ang pamamaril ay ni-livestream pa. We cannot help but ask, NVE-related din kaya ito? Kasi ang itsura ng video, parang ginawang laro ang kahindik-hindik na karahasan. 2 bata ang patay dahil sa insidente. Investigations are still ongoing, but these incidents of serious violence committed by children against children and attended by broadcasts in online spaces are unacceptable. Naiintindihan din po natin na sa ganitong bagong phenomenon, may tendency pa pong lumala ang problema dahil sa atensyon na binibigay sa mga salarin. Kaya sa mga kasamahan natin ngayon, pati yung malamang parating na mga kapwa-senador ko, at mga resource persons at sa mga nanunood para maiwasan ang posibleng paggaya at pag-glorify ng mga bata sa ginawang karahasan ng shooter. It is advised that our focus today should not be on the identities of perpetrators or suspects. We should instead focus on understanding the mechanisms and systemic gaps that enabled this unimaginable violence and to work on concrete policies to effectively address this emerging menace. Responsibilidad nating mapunuan ang mga butas sa ating mga batas at mag-develop ng mga polisiya at programa upang maprotektahan ang ating mga anak laban sa abuso, eksploitasyon, at matinding karahasan. Kasama rin nating pag-uusapan ngayong araw ang Senate Bill 1759 at Senate Bill 2369 ng Chair that expand the coverage of our anti-violence against women and children law to include violence in digital spaces. This is an important amendment in view of how the rapid advancement in technology is being used and exploited in inflicting violence against women and children. With this, I look forward to a fruitful discussion with all of you today. Marami pong salamat.